at Poke.
Oh shit, it's a vlog!
And yeah, you want to be in the vlog?
Do you want me to drive?
We're walking to Shake Shack. What are your thoughts?
We're walking Shake Shack?
Yeah, and the Amazon Go store. Welcome. Okay.
I love sushi.
Okay, done. Good morning. How was your sleep?
Calista taught me how to curl my hair.
You want to say that again?
Calista sucks at teaching me how to curl my hair.
Maybe you just suck at learning.
No, I'm just kidding.
But yes, we just woke up. We had breakfast.
New life skill achieved.
XP
It is a life
plus
skill.
one.
Yeah, XP.
But yes, we are. The other room is sleeping, so we are out here, and we are about to check out and go around downtown again. I'm a bad vlogger because I end all my clips in bye. So, the restaurant that we were going to go to is an hour-long wait because we are a party of 8 and we are stupid and we don't book things in advance.
Yes.
So now we are on the hunt for another place.
And hopefully not burgers.
Yeah, because we had burgers for dinner yesterday. Now it's just...
Anything
I feel
else is a
very
downgrade.
American. Yeah. Okay, we'll catch you when we find a place, hopefully. So I just got home. I got dropped off by Susanna and Chantal, and our last clip was the clip from the crab pot, which was dinner, and then we drove about 2 hours back home. I'm so tired. My throat is so sore from talking. I am exhausted and sleepy, and I'm just excited to go into bed. But this is the end of our Seattle trip. I'm sorry that there wasn't many talking clips in here, and it's just mainly B-roll, but I'm really glad that this trip happened, and I hope that it was so much fun for other people as well.
Murder on the beat.
What?
Smile, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Fuck it up.
Smile, 1, 2,